My name is Maren Krings, and here you can see a selection from my 6-year project about the worldwide rediscovery of hemp and its use to mitigate the socio-ecological crisis. I am a German climate impact storyteller, and my work is published internationally in exhibitions and magazines. Also, I authored 3 photo books. All of them analyze the different impacts of human behavior on the fragile ecosystem of the Alps. For over 10 years, I lived in Austria and started observing the drastic changes that are happening to our environment on the surrounding mountains and glaciers. That triggered my interest in stories about people who are finding solutions to counter the climate crisis. In 2016, I turned my car, a Volkswagen Caddy, into a rolling home and office and set out to travel 26 different countries on 4 continents, not all in my car, of course. By the end of 2019, I had lived in my car for 4 years. During that time, I covered most of Europe, the USA, Russia, Central and East Asia, where I documented over 200 different projects and interviewed 80 hemp industry experts. I was particularly interested to meet the individuals who are driving this new industry forward. I asked many questions and wanted to find out if they had stumbled upon solutions that hemp can offer to adapt our societies within a short time to live responsibly within the boundaries of our planet. Let's hear what the pioneers and experts had to say.